What's good, YouTube? This your boy J Diggy 92 coming at y'all with, as y'all can see, some more unboxings and shit. Look, dog, we gotta talk about the big ass elephant in the room. Why the fuck is this box this damn big? Like, look at this shit. Why is this damn big? This is fucking ridiculous. So we gonna save the big ass box for last, even though some of y'all pretty much know what it is if you follow me on IG. But look, so we gonna get into this. We gonna make this shit quick. I got a lot of shit to do today. I don't got that much time, and I might not have that much battery. I can't really see. But so look, this first package comes from Jimmy Jazz. Cop these from Jimmy Jazz. I know exactly what it is. If I can open it, make sure y'all hit that thumbs up and that like button. Already, man. Damn, they just put them in here like this. Jimmy Jazz trash. Alright, cool. So these are club fleece jogger pants in pink. Ooh, they feel nice. These jumps hit. This little pink jump, a little Nike check right there. Hopefully this next bag is the second part of this. I can't tell. Where's this from? Save that, because I want the second part. Alright, so this is the second part for that. So since I got the pink joggers, I went ahead and copped the motherfucking pink hoodie to match. Hopefully it's the right color. I think it is. I hope it is. It look a little off. That is way off. Ain't this a bitch? Damn it. Well, so much for that fucking idea. That shit is way off. Damn. Now I gotta go back and buy fucking pants. Ain't that a fail for your ass? There's two different pinks. When the fuck am I gonna just wear pink joggers by themselves? Guess who finna get these motherfuckers? Savage Beauty, like, I don't know, I like the hoodie though. Damn, man. Oh well, fuck it. There goes that fail. I'll keep the motherfuckers. Ain't no telling when I'm gonna crack them bitches open, whatever. But so there goes that fail. I wanted a pink jogging suit for like fall time, but it is what it is. I wanted to go with my favorite guys, but it's all good. This next one smells like vinegar, but it's all good. Comes from Etsy, and it's that Kanye inspired hoodie. It says, "I hate being bipolar. It's awesome." I copped this jump for fall as well, just cause hoodie season is upon us. The season of the hoodie is upon us. So I had to cop those. And this next piece, I think these from Elwood. Yep. These are from Elwood, and they are something I normally would never buy, but I said fuck it. We gonna try new shit. I'm really pissed about the joggers too. I might just give them to my sister. She might want them. But look, these some plaid pants. Like, plaid is in right now. These bitches don't stretch for shit neither. Damn. I hope this is my size. If not, I'm fucked. But nah, it's just some all over plaid pants I got from Elwood. I want to find the fit to go with that. So there's all the bags out the way. Even though that shit was a fail. I'm pissed. Damn it, I'm pissed. Cause this is like pink. Fuck. I knew I should just bought that shit from the same place. It's all good, fuck it. Cause I really want to see these anyway. So if you follow me on IG, JDiggy92, shameless plug. You see, I picked these up, and like I posted the day I got these motherfuckers, and like I was so hyped to get these bitches too. So let's go ahead and get into this big ass box, which I feel is definitely not necessary, but it is what it is. Damn, this box is necessary. What the fuck? Oh my god. Damn, I know I got some big ass feet, but shit. But today we got, as y'all can see, Yeezys desert boot. We just go ahead and cop one of these desert boots on your little whore ass. Got me from, I actually copped these release date. So let's go ahead and open these, get our first thoughts and opinions on this specific colorway. And yes, bro, I got these bitches in size 13, my boy. So hopefully I did the right thing. So let's check. Ooh, these y'all's clean. Ooh. Ooh, these hoes clean, boy. They don't even look big. I think this 13 was mandatory. I don't even think it was necessary. I think that shit was mandatory, blood. I said blood. I don't know why I said that. But, bro, I think a 13, I might need a 13 and a half. I'm fucking with you. But nah, I think that shit was, hello? This big ass molar roller ain't got no service. But nah, bro, these don't, I like these. I really like these. And the crazy thing is I give y'all my first thoughts. I was finna pull the trigger on these on StockX for like $390. Nigga, I almost paid full $100 for these, but luckily I did my homework, I did my research, found out these Jones was coming back in stock, dog, and I just waited. And then release day, pulled that trigger by. Like, I had to. I ain't have no choice, because I was like, I really want like a brown boot for fall and winter, and I felt like this is like the greatest option for like not even just hype. Like, I wouldn't wear these in the snow. Like, these don't look like snow boots. Like, these are for fashion. These ain't for not trying to fall. Like, I would never wear these in like snow. I mean, like when it's cold outside, I throw these on. But if it's like snowy and rainy and shit, I'm not putting these on. I'm throwing the Timbs on, the big Timbs, nigga. Like, big Timbs in the chat, nigga. So yeah, I had to copy these. Like, overall, I think this oil colorway was the best out of like all three that had dropped. It was an oil colorway, a salt colorway, and a rock colorway. The salt colorway was just a white ass boot. Like, it was that light gray that Kanye like playing with, and then the rock colorway, it was like a khaki color, but like it's like Tim color. So like, I ain't really want, if I wanted Tims, I just would bought some Tims. Like, you feel me? So I ain't really want that shit, so I didn't cop it. And like, this had to be like the only one I went for. Like, if it would have sold out my side, I'd have been pissed, because I didn't want the rest of these shoes. Like, the other ones I was not feeling. I was not feeling at all. If anything, I might have went for the khakis, but I wouldn't have like been completely happy. Like, with these, I'm completely happy. Like, these jumps look fire. But just my overall thoughts and opinions, these jumps is fire. Are they a 10 out of 10? Nah, not really. I had to try them on, and like, I'll give y'all an official like review as always. But just like straight out the box and just feeling everything, I give it like a good 8. Like, I give it an 8 right now, just cause like I said, I really wanted these bad. And I'll talk to y'all more about it in the official review, because I gotta give y'all an official review. Motherfuckers that be reviewing these shoes, trash ass reviews. Like, I ain't saying I got the best reviews in the world, but dog, the motherfuckers that do these shoes right here, they need to quit YouTube, bro. Cause like they don't tell you shit. Like they be like, yeah, go true to size, but then nah. Like it just depends. What you mean? It just depends. I need more than that to go off of. So y'all best believe when it comes to sizing and like a better bomb ass review. Oh yeah, y'all definitely get that shit from me. Trust and believe that, baby. But nah, I'm gonna go ahead, get y'all up out of here. This is just a little quick unboxing. It'll high key fail, but it is what it is. I'm gonna just buy the pants. Probably like right now, actually. I'm probably just gonna go buy these pants right now that match this, and hopefully they the right ones. If not, I'm gonna be super mad. I'm really probably just gonna get these to my damn sister, like to keep it a stack. I'm probably just gonna get these to my sister, cause I highly doubt me walking around with like a pair of pink pants. Like I can't see me just doing it, and like hot pink, like without matching like the sweatshirt attack. Cause man, damn, I had a perfect fit for this. I was gonna wear the Sail Fear guys with the all pink with the white band. Boy, my shit was finna be lit, but God had different plans. But nah, man, go ahead, hit that thumbs up, that like button. Go ahead, subscribe for your boy. Join the motherfucking God Squad. You already know the best squad on YouTube. Konnichiwa, motherfucker, all that good shit. You wanna follow me on anything? You can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that at JDiggy92. Shout out to the art page, Finesse God Masterpieces. Shout out to the gaming channel, Savage God Gaming. I got some, we got some gameplay of that Modern Warfare beta. We been playing the shit out of that motherfucker. That shit fun as hell. So definitely check that out. And shout out to my art YouTube, Finesse God Masterpieces. I should be dropping another time lapse soon, so go ahead and be on the lookout for that. And official reviews on these and the Moab 700s is coming soon. And then like I got one more unboxing. I'm just waiting for it to get. So, oh yeah, and by the way, check out that prank I pulled on Savage Beauty. I mean, it wasn't like a prank. It was just like, yeah, that shit was a prank. So go ahead and check that shit out. It's in the channel. I said it's in the channel. It's on the channel, so go ahead and check that out. And yeah, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'm your boy, the Finesse God, JDiggy92. Get y'all up out of here, man. I love y'all. Like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all.